Today we're going to make one of my favorite rum cocktails, the Caipirinha. But we're not going to stop there. We're also going to make its cousins, the Caipiroska and the Caipirissima. Let's go! All right, guys, the first step to making a great Caipirinha is to get your limes prepped properly. Believe me, do this wrong and it will be bitter. Let's cut it like this. And we want to get rid of most of this white stuff if we can, as much as you can. If you don't get rid of most of it, your Caipirinha will more than likely be bitter. And nobody wants that. Now, see this white line right here? That's got to go. That's got to go. Can't have that. So go ahead and quarter your limes and then cut this white line out. It's called the pith. Just get rid of it and then cut your lime in quarters. Just like that. Repeat that for as many limes as you're going to need. If you're having a party, cut a whole bag because everyone's going to want 3. Now we're going to assemble the Caipirinha. Caipirinha is made with cachaça. Cachaça is a Brazilian sugarcane rum made directly from sugarcane. We're also going to make the Caipiroska, which is made with vodka. I'm going to use this vintage distilling honey vodka to add a little more sweetness. And we're going to make the Caipirissima, which is made with rum. Now rum, let's be honest, cachaça is rum, so is this. They're both rum. What's the difference? This was made with sugar cane. This was made with sugar byproducts like molasses. Okay? Doesn't mean they're not tasty. They are, but they're different. They're going to have different tastes and different flavor profiles, and it's going to be epic. Why am I still talking? Let's make some drinks. All right. Each glass has 4 pieces of lime. Next, we're going to put in 1 heaping teaspoon of sugar into each. Now, this is where the art of drink making comes in. Sometimes your limes might be a little more sour. Sometimes they're a little bit less sour, so you got to be careful with the sugar. I'm going to start with just a regular teaspoon. I may have to add more. I may have wished to add it less. Depends on the limes. But that's also one of the nice things about this cocktail. It is very adaptable, shall we say. You're going to want to muddle these limes, but don't kill them. Just muddle them. Love them a little. You want to get the juice and some of that oil to come out. Now that we have our limes expressed with our sugar, we're going to add some booze. Cachaça. 2 ounces. Why 2 ounces? It's been a long day. That's why. The perfect pour. Vintage distilling honey vodka for the Caipiroska or something like that. Caipiroska. I'm going to use honey vodka to give it a little more sweetness. Regular white vodka is fine here as well. The perfect pour again. And finally, regular dark rum. I'm going to use Island Bird Premium Rum. You could use regular white rum here if you like, but I'm going to use Island Bird because I really like this rum. I think it's delicious. The perfect pour one more time. Now we're going to add ice to each one. Now take your spoon and give them a really good stir. This not only is going to chill your drink, but it's also going to dilute it a little bit. If the ice flies a little bit, that just means you're doing it right. Should have used a taller glass. That's what it means.
A little aggressive on the stir.
Hey. I have to make a cachaça correctly. All right, everyone, so let's make the Caipirinha, the Caipiroska, and the Caipirissima. And we're going to give them the old collies try. Before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. The classic Caipirinha. God, that smells good. That's just a classic drink, guys. It's just so refreshing, easy to drink, smooth. I just love this cocktail, guys. It's really good.
And perfect to share, so hand it over.
God damn, don't get married, people.
Hey!
All right, this is more. Give that a try. So that's the standard. That's Caipirinha.
Yeah, never disappoints.
Never disappoints. So freaking good. Caipiroska with vodka. The honey flavor of that vodka is coming through that drink. No, I like it. I would drink that down in a heartbeat. This is the one with Island Bird Premium Dark Rum, the Caipirissima. Wow, that really does allow the rum flavor to come through. Like you can taste the rum, like not in a bad way, like I'm saying in a good way. Like you can taste the good quality notes of the dark rum.